Hi Year 11 ITM. In this video I'm going to show you how to make your own titles. Of course you can use templates, but being able to make your own titles means that you have a lot more flexibility. So what we're going to do is, firstly, we're going to go to File, New, and we're going to create or open a black video. Okay, so you'll get this dialog box which will basically have the video settings that are already on your timeline. So we're just going to click OK, and there's your black video there. So you can simply drag that over onto your timeline, and using the type tool you can actually start typing whatever it is you want to write. For instance, coming soon. You can already see I've selected an unusual font. I think I'll just when you select your T, you also get properties over this side. I'm going to change that to something a little bit more simple. So you can just go through your various fonts. That's a good one. Coming soon to a cinema near you. You can use the move tool over here to move that around to the center. We can actually use these various tools here to align your text. You can change the font size. Okay. We can also just highlight the text and try some other things. We can also change the color of the font over here. So we've got various ways of doing that. So maybe let's try red. Okay, can try that. Okay, so give that a go. Let's move that over there. And just to show you where that is now, I've actually typed it over here. But if I was to play that, I could just simply hit play. You can see that as soon as the black screen or the black video comes on, the text starts as well. I might decide to start it a little bit later and perhaps have it a bit shorter. And so let's have a look now. There we go. Okay, so give that a go. I actually don't like the red font. I think white looks a lot better, but that was just to show you what you can actually do with it. Okay, so there we go. Just make it slightly grey. Okay, so give that a go. Quite easy to do, and of course you will need to add transitions to that, which you can see in the next video. Great. Okay, enjoy. Bye.